Hi, I'm Jody. I'm doing an honest review of the SmileDirectClub Smile Spa. Um, I bought this in March. I have wear aligners, so I wanted to have something to keep them nice and clean and sterilized. After I read that brushing them with a toothbrush is not good for them. So, this works really great. You fill it with hot water in there, and there is a little tray that you can pull out. It makes it really easy to pull it out. It has a little like handle on it. So you just fill that to the line. There is a marking right there. You can kind of see. It tells you where to fill it to, and just shut it, and then you push the button after you plug it in. Very easy to use. It takes about 10 minutes to clean. And I usually do this while I'm doing my nighttime routine. I just do it once a day. I really like this product. We'll definitely probably have to buy a new one soon because, as you can see, I traveled with it and it broke on me. So I guess that would be one of the negatives about it is I did have it in a suitcase and it broke. I don't feel like I had any undue pressure in it, so maybe hang on to your box if you plan on traveling with it. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna end up having to buy a new one eventually, but really like this product. It worked great for my needs.